Here's a Chevy Silverado body style 2003-2007 Classic. It was brought in today to do a Viper remote start with alarm, two-way pager, lock, unlock, siren, horn, and we also added the door actuators in the doors. These doors are manual doors, manual windows. Reach in, unlock it. Here's the inside of the door. Manual door locks, manual windows. Now with the remote start, push lock, and it will lock the doors. Then you hit unlock, and it will unlock the doors. Viper remote start in stock and ready to go for most vehicles. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, and closed on Sunday. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.